So I'm going to start off firstly then with a safety question. Yeah, so we'll start off nice and easy for you. How do you know if there's a problem with the ABS braking system?
An amber light comes up on the dashboard.
Yep. So all I want you to do is follow the road ahead at all times, unless road signs or markings tell you otherwise. If I do want you to turn anyway, I'm going to let you know in good time.
Okay.
So if you just want to move off when it's safe. Lucie shows great planning and awareness by checking both centre and right mirror to prepare to overtake the parked van, and at the end of the road turning right using the MSPSL routine. So at the end of the road we'll turn right. And the roundabout, we're going to follow signs for Lincoln A57. So that's Lincoln A57. Lucie ends up going the wrong way. In this case, it's absolutely fine. She stays in the left lane, uses her mirrors and signals to take the second exit, causing no confusion to any other road users. Yep, we have, but that's okay. Don't worry, I'll direct us and get us back on track. After recovering from going the wrong way, Lucie then uses the mirror signal manoeuvre routine to pull up safely and picks a really good space on the left. So if you can just pull up on the left anywhere that's safe, please. Thank you very much.